Why categorize expenses in budgeting apps?
Accurate expense categorization is key to understanding your spending habits. By organizing transactions into categories, budgeting apps reveal where your money goes, making it easier to spot savings opportunities or overspending. Proper categories also help generate clear reports, giving you better insight and control over your finances.
Choosing the right expense categories.
Start with broad categories like food, housing, and transportation, then add detail as needed. Most budgeting apps offer default categories, but customizing them can better reflect your lifestyle. Avoid too many categories, which can cause confusion. Focus on groups that matter for your financial goals.
Tips for consistent categorization.
Consistency is crucial. Always assign similar expenses to the same category. Review your transactions regularly to catch miscategorized items. Some apps let you set rules or rename merchants for automatic sorting, saving time and ensuring accuracy.
Handling irregular or unusual expenses.
Irregular expenses, like yearly subscriptions or repairs, need special attention. Create a category for these or group them under occasional or miscellaneous. Track them separately so you can budget ahead and avoid surprises when these costs arise.
Reviewing and adjusting categories over time.
Review your categories monthly to adapt to changing priorities. As your spending patterns evolve, merge, rename, or split categories to stay organized. Regular updates ensure your budget remains relevant, providing clearer insights and helping you reach your financial goals.